Hi all, good evening. So today we'll be discussing about how we can configure a management zone. So in the Dynatrace we have done one topic is called management zone. So to filter the applications, so you can filter the management zone by using environment also. You can create a management zone, yeah, by application also. Okay. So how you can configure a management zone, zone. So using Terraform, Terraform script. Okay. So there is a why Terraform is more getting famous now because most of the configurations they don't want to do manually. So you need to write a Terraform script and then you need to apply through Terraform. So what happened is suppose a lot of dependency has been removed. So once a script Terraform script is ready, anybody can use it, right? So that is the reason we used to call reverse engineering. So that is the region most of the configuration they used to do via API. Most of the configuration they used to go via Terraform. Yeah, most of them go via Monaco, all those things. Okay. So yesterday we discussed about how we can configure SLO using Terraform. Okay. Today we'll be discussing about how we can configure a management zone in Dynatrace using Terraform script. Okay. So Terraform if you are not aware of the Terraform, so Terraform is a open source. Okay, so if you talk about Terraform, is a infrastructure as a code software tools. Okay, is a infrastructure as a code. So we used to called IAC, infrastructure as a code, infrastructure as a code. Okay, so it is a software. It is a tool. It is developed by HashiCorp. So HashiCorp, the company who developed that. Okay, and that language we used to do that, right? To write a Terraform a script, right? So we used to write HCL language. Okay, high configuration language. HashiCorp configuration language, not high configuration language. It's a HashiCorp configuration language. Okay, so basically you can use the Terraform, right, to automate some things. Okay, and so once it is configured, script is ready, then definitely it got automated, right? Then and then we have a Terraform basic commands, right? Like Terraform init. So few commands at least you should be knowing that, right? So Terraform init, Terraform plan, Terraform validate. So you want to do the validation, the configuration, Terraform apply. Okay. Then we have Terraform destroy. So if you want to destroy something, you can do Terraform destroy. Destroy, Terraform refresh, Terraform refresh. Okay, then Terraform output, then Terraform output. If you want to check the outputs and all. Then we have a Terraform FMT, Terraform import, Terraform FMT, Terraform import, right? So Terraform FMT, where will you use? So automatically format the Terraform configuration file to a canonical format, okay? And a style. So you want to format it, right? So you can do Terraform FMT, okay? Terraform import allow existing resource not managed by Terraform to be brought under the Terraform management. So that you can do the Terraform import. Then we have a Terraform workspace to manage a multiple distinct set of infrastructure resource. So these are the basic commands we have in the Terraform. Not much command. Init, plan, validate, apply, refresh, delete, output, FMT, import. These are the basic commands we have. Okay. These are the foundation of Terraform basic commands to understand the functionality. Okay. So now let's see in the Dynatrace how we can configure management zone using Terraform script, right? So the Terraform extension is .tf file. So .tf tf file should be extension. So let me first let's go to the documentation. Okay. So to configure a management zone, right? So we have a zone underscore v2. So we have a v2 API and we have a v1 API. So v1 API is already deprecated. Still, you can use that. Okay, but now they have developed as a v2 API, right? So to require the API token, so we need setting read and write permission. Okay, so if you go to the Dynatrace and if you go to the management zone, not access token page, you configure that, right? So just I'm giving management token. Okay, management zone token setting. So read and write setting is required. Okay, generate a token, copy this and go to provider.tf file. Okay, and you replace this token. Okay, so already I have one token, the same token you can utilize it. And then I have written as a management zone TF file. So management zone, then this is the Terraform. So provider is nothing but that we have that provider given by Dynatrace. Okay, so you can use this. Copy this. So you can see that, right? Required provider OSS version. You can use 1.5.50.0 also. Here you can give the Dynatrace URL and API tokens. Okay. So you can see that I have given DT underscore environment underscore DT underscore API token. That's fine. So nothing more changes. Okay. So this is our script, right? So Terraform script. Okay. So if you go to the documentation and if you see the document, this is our Terraform script. Okay. So you can copy this and put it here. So already I kept it. So management TF file. So name I'm giving uh, demo. Okay. And here I'm giving, so management zone name is demo. Okay. Yeah, just to give easy travel better. So easy travel is application. Easy travel. Copy this. Put it here. Okay. So this we have, and then we have a filter criteria for rule type, entity, all those things. And now what I need to do. So I have added. Let's save it. So Control S, file got saved. Okay. So now I will go to here in the terminal sections. Okay. Now I will do Terraform in it. So initializing the backend. So successfully initialized. Now Terraform plan. Plan got changed. Now if you want to validate, so configuration is valid. Okay. Then you can do Terraform apply. It will ask you a prompt, yes, you know. So enter the value of yes. Okay. So see, apply complete, resource one added. Okay. So now if you go to the Dynatrace portal and go to anywhere, right? So go to your host page. So what is the name is easy travel. I have given that management zone, right? So let's refresh this. So you can see there is a management zone is easy travel. Okay, got added. So now if I'll go to my setting tab, you can see what are the feature got added, what are the rules got added. Custom device, where custom device name is GCP. So we have taken the monitor entities custom device. So if you go to the Terraform script, so where we have a custom device, or you can do the changes. So here we have, right? So case sensitive is not required. Custom device. So custom device they took it. So custom device where it is coming from. So rule type, okay. Monitor entity is custom device. So if you want something host, so you can give the host name. So monitor entity rule applies to host. So now instead of custom device, I can give host. Like this, you can modify properly. Okay. And this is my easy travel. And you can see where we have custom device. So you can see here custom device. So you can give entity type host. Here we have entity type host. So like this, you can do a lot of changes in the script. Okay, based on your rules, what kind of rules you are looking for, right? And then you can do the changes. So like this, you can do the changes. Host where cloud type is equal to Google Cloud Platform. Okay, so they have given that cloud type Google Cloud Platform. So if I want to AWS, so what I will give? I will go to my provider. Instead of I will give cloud type, here I will give AWS. That's it. Yeah, Amazon Web Service. So here you need to understand that from here. Whether if I'll take cloud type, so what are the clouds we have? So we have Azure, EC2, all those things. So you should give cloud type EC2, not AWS. Okay. So like this, you can do a lot of changes in the script. Okay. And then you can configure you can prepare the Terraform script. So here it should be a EC2. EC2. Okay. Like this, you can do the changes. You do the Terraform init, Terraform plan, Terraform validate, and Terraform apply. You can do, your zone will get created. Okay. Hope everyone is understood. Okay. So that's it for this lecture. Okay. Discard changes. Okay. So this is got added. Okay. So like this, you can do a lot of configurations. Okay. Through Terraform script. Okay. That's it for this lecture. Wait on this.